can see it, yeah. Oh, there's one behind us,
I'm not
too.
fast enough to get him. You have to take a video or something.
They're too fast to take a picture of.
Let's see if I can agitate any in front of us. Oh, there goes that one.
This is so cool. Thanks for doing this for us.
I think the salmon are cool. That's why I do it.
Some of my favorite things to eat.
You like to preview your dinner?
Would you like to wear them around your neck? And stand on that beach there? Well,
There goes another one.
I'm recording it now. That way we can sit out here and watch.
So huge. Those are the biggest.
Yeah, they're good size.
We don't get salmon.
No, we don't get them.
We call those trout. Where I'm from.
That's the size we get up in Michigan.
But imagine how big our trout are.
Is it?
We have trophy trout in this river because trout are actually native to this river, unlike a lot of others. They're usually stocked. So we get a lot of huge, called trophy trout. They're really big and they're really old.
Yeah, you know what lake perch are?
Like what?
Lake perch. In Lake Michigan, they got them. They're perch. 3 to 4 feet. Walleye, they have there.
I gotta get up there.
Sure. Okay, guys, so we have the biggest wave right up here around this corner.
Okay.
Yeah.
Looks like I'm pulling out first. I'll just go this way around you.
You hold this for me back there?
If I'm doing something weird.
I don't want it to get wet.
All right.
If it gets wet back there, don't worry about it. It's not your fault.
It's not your fault.
You gotta hang on in case you need to. I'd rather you hang on. I can hang on to it.
Time for a bath.
That's why he's up front. He's a crash test dummy.
Drive the boat?
What's that?
Is she letting you drive the boat?
I have to. She wants me to pay her.
I'm gonna do a weird spinning motion to get back to the current. Don't worry.
That's cold.
You awake now? Your expression says it all.
It was a little colder than I thought it was.
Those are pretty good waves.
Wanna watch the green boat go through? Yeah. Right about now.
You want your camera, or you want me to hang on to it?
Thank you very much.
I'm recording. My
I don't know.
camera.
That's it. Look, it's spectacular watching that.
Yeah, they took the easy
We
route.
have a heavier and smaller boat, so we hit everything a lot harder.
Okay.
I'm glad you asked for blue boat.
I thought you said that they weren't cool and they were taking all the easy stuff.
Yeah, he's a boring guide.
Here we got
He's
we
not
got
nearly as good as I am.
Exactly.
we got a little wave up here. Hang on. Okay, there it is. We're done.
Or they were probably sitting on that boat watching us go and saying, oh shit.
Gotta step aside.
It's like people sometimes, yeah. In Napa.
Thank you. It's like they were posing for us.
That big rock over to our right, that's Preacher's Rock, so you gotta pray I don't hit it.
Better in the boat than out.
Actually ended up going by unscathed. Sometimes that literally just swallows the boat. Sometimes we just go right over it. But it's always fun. Nest is to the right of it. I think there's an eaglet in this nest. There's the nest.
He doesn't share, or she doesn't share.